guys, Trudy here with Panhandle Power Wash Supply, and I would like to talk to you a little bit about the upgraded Whisper Wash bar. Now this is the HydroFlow bars, and what's different about them is obviously you can tell they're really beefy. They do not have the protective sleeves on them because they already have protective ends. And the good thing about these is if you damage your nozzle and strip it out, you don't have to replace the whole bar, you just replace the ends. The ends come in a 2-pack. So when you buy them, you get both ends. And it doesn't matter which side you put them on, so you have an extra backup if you only damage one side. These are going to come standard on the Classic Extreme right now. That's the only one that's going to be coming standard on the newer machines. The newer Classic Extreme will be getting this bar. But they are available for all the machines except for the Maxima right now. We do have them in stock as well as the replacement. They do come in aluminum and stainless steel. So you have your option of those. Prices are on the website. But this is a nice beefy bar, guys. So if you're ready to upgrade your Whisper Wash bar, check out the new ones. All right, guys, stay humble and hustle hard. Have a great day.